Hi friends, welcome back to the physics classes. Today I am going to start kinematics 1D, that's part 2 which have been left in the last classes. Now kinematics 1D. Here this kinematics 1D, it means the motion. As I already told that kinematics is a motion. So let me explain about kinematics now. Here there is an office work and there is a car in the person and he wants to go from office to home. Now on the way he have to take a turning, that's the largest distance from his home. So he reached the home from this point to here, he reached home. He went like this and he taken a diversion, and this was about 4 km. The distance from here to here, that's initial point to here, it was 4 km, and from this point to this point it was about 3 km. Now this totally was distance. This is just a distance, and now I am going to talk about still one term, that's displacement. As I told in the last video that displacement is the shortest path. Here this can be the displacement. Here from here to here, this can be the displacement, which is 5 km. This 5 km is obtained by a formula, that's Pythagorean triplet, or the famous scientist, that Pythagoras. In the maths it's mentioned as Pythagoras theorem. Here let's take, it is A, B, C. Here these 3 points let's take as A, B, C. And here to obtain this displacement we need to do is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC square, let it be like that only. We don't know our current AC square value, so write AC as it is, and AB square value is 4 square plus 3, that's BC square. Now AC square is equals to 4 square, that's 16, plus 3 square, that's 9, 25. AC square is equals to, AC is equals to root 25. Here next root 25 is equals to 5. That's it. Now let's talk about separately displacement and distance. Here distance is the total moment of an object without regard of direction. Distance is a total moment of an object or a body without direction. Here distance means it may go like this, however it want. It doesn't have any accurate direction. This is the distance. Next, displacement. The displacement is defined as the change in position of object is a vector. It means displacement is defined as a change in position of object. If let's take this as point A and point B, this is position and this is also a position. If this movement is called displacement with direction, including direction, then only it's called as vector. Here magnitude is direction. Here the magnitude of this displacement is distance, and the vector quantity, once again I will repeat that, vector quantity it means which has both magnitude and direction. However, we know the direction will be given in the displacement and magnitude is the distance in the displacement. Or we can give a small definition that displacement is defined as a change in position of object with regard to direction. Next, time. Time, a measured or measurable period during which an action, process or conditions exists or continues. Here time is a measurable period. Here let take this let take as A as a period and B as a period. Here the duration between these two periods is called time. and it doesn't have any end because time is just imaginary numbers. Next, speed, rate of change of a position in any direction. Here speed means rate of change of position. Here A, B, C. Here from here to here, here to here, with any direction, it should be in a certain time. Here there is another definition that speed is measured as a ratio of distance to the time in which the distance was covered. If this was total 5 km and covered in 5 hours, then it is like total distance, that's 5 km by 5 hours. Here it cancelled, so 1 km per hour. The speed is 1 km per hour. This definition also gives us the formula. Here this is the movement of this guys or the children on the sea with a boat. It travels some of the distance in a certain time. Next, velocity. Velocity is a prime indicator of a position as well as rapidity of an object. Here I'll give you a simple clarity about velocity. Velocity, it means displacement by time. Speed is distance by time, whereas velocity is displacement by time. That's it. Velocity doesn't have any maximum definitions. Velocity means displacement by time. Thank you. Please like this video and share and subscribe to our channel, that's Study to IT. Have a great day.